Yeah, my Hellcat homie wants y'all niggas to do it wrong.
Bro, that's not even fair. Like, how is a Hellcat gonna call out a bone stock 350Z? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. And in today's vlog, we got a special run for you guys. I called out a Hellcat. What happened was, my homie, if you guys watched the last video, you guys saw my homie run that 370Z. So anyway, that 370Z said that his homie's Hellcat wanted to run my homie Jolie's car, which is a stock 350Z.
Yeah, my Hellcat homie wants y'all niggas to do it wrong.
Hellcat homie?
I need bro first.
Hellcat wanna run.
Who running my Hellcat homie?
What Hellcat? Who's your Hellcat? Hey, so who's Hellcat? Who's Hellcat?
Where the camera at, my guy?
You are recording, huh?
YouTube.
Hey, bro, you could put the car seat in the car, nigga. You want to run? You want the stock car? Don't even worry about it, Cam.
And I just thought that was insane. I was like, bro, that's not even fair. Like, how is a Hellcat gonna call out a bone stock 350Z? So I went ahead and I called him out instead, because if you guys didn't know, my car is a 350Z and it's not that stock. It has a turbo kit, you know, I'm on a tire, full E85, and makes around 500-ish wheel, and Hellcats make about 500-ish wheel, so I figured it would be a pretty close run. So right now I'm just pumping gas. We're getting ready to go meet up at the runs, and hopefully we have a good turnout, and we'll see how this goes. I'm pretty excited. I haven't ran a Hellcat besides a like fully done up Hellcat, and I got literally destroyed. And yeah, I'm like pretty excited. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I've been grinding the videos out super hard lately, trying to get them out for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Please let me know what kind of content you guys want to see more of in the comment section below. Just made it out to the spot, got a few cars here. Bro, look at this thing, bro. It's fucking thanks. Sheesh. G80 on the channel. Let's go. This thing's pretty fire. My homie's M. A few other cars. Got the VQ squad over here. Got my boy Jolie right here. The carbon hood. The nice wheels. It's just nice, bro. My boy's DE. But yeah, we're still waiting on the Hellcat. No word from the Hellcat. So yeah, well, I guess we're just gonna wait till he pulls up. And my boy Jolie is supposed to get a rerun with the red 370Z again, because supposedly the guy was having some issues with his car. So he's supposed to come ready today. So hopefully they pull up. Hopefully they pull up.
A few moments later.
Yo, what up, bro? I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, family. Happy.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll pop my hood. I mean, I don't really have to.
Yeah, you don't got to.
Yeah.
You already told me what you put in, like, what you're estimated to put down, bro. So
Yeah.
you're like, what? You said like 3. Bro, honestly, I'm gonna assume 6.
I made 550 on my dyno, bro.
550?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a good run, bro. Like, I expect you probably hour and a half, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I really don't know, bro. I've never ran a cat before.
Yeah. Not that fast, you know what I mean?
I've only ran a built cat, and obviously I got bodied.
Yeah. Well.
So, I mean, yeah, I'm pretty excited, bro, honestly. Alright, guys, so we got my Z right here, and this is the Hellcat we are going to be running in the video. So, like I said, I'm pretty excited. Looks like he still has a big wheel on, so, you know, I'm obviously have the advantage there. But, yeah, should be a good turnout. Hey, do you spin at all, bro?
Yeah, right now at this weather, yeah, I was gonna probably take a little bit of air out, but they're just Michelin. They're like super sports, so they're not like, they're good tires, bro, but they're not like the best. You know, they're not Mickeys or anything, but they're still good tires, bro.
Hey, bro. I won't get this on video, but hey, thanks for coming out, bro. You know, that means a lot, you know? A lot of people talk and they don't come out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so.
It is what it is, bro. You know what it is, man. Only in Mexico, you guys know the vibes. Man.
Yeah. Guys, we are ready. So yeah, the freaking red 370 never showed up. The one from the last video, which is kind of whack. So, I mean, that sucks. But at least the Hellcat showed up, which I'm pretty excited because I haven't ran a Hellcat before. So, I'm pretty hype on it. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. Sheesh. Driving this car is just so much damn fun, bro. Just love the noises. Oh my god, bro.
Fucking pulling, bro. That thing's a fucking beast, bro. Good shit. Sheesh. Sheesh. That thing's a fucking beast, bro. Hey, shout out to the kid, bruh. Shout out to the fucking kid, bruh. That 350 is no fucking joke, bruh. Shout out to the fucking boy, man. That thing's fucking pulling, bro. For real, for real.
Later.
Alright guys, sorry I've been a terrible vlogger so far, but the 370, the rerun from the last video, finally showed up 2 hours after we already agreed to like meet up and run. And yeah, so they're about to run right now. Jolie's actually gonna do a dig, and props to Jolie, by the way, for even giving him the rerun one and then doing a dig.
Fucking shit! Get me the fuck back over there right fucking now! Oh, I'm talking all of the shit! All of it! All of it! What the fuck up? You're a bitch just like him! You're gonna run it again. Shut your fucking mouth when you talk to me, bitch! You Get the fuck out the car. Yeah, go home, bitch. Go home. Fucking pussy.
Just made it back to my daily, and dude, you can't make this up, bro. Tonight was crazy. Dude, drop a sub for the freaking content I've been giving you guys. Come on. That was crazy. I did not expect that to go down. Unreal. I can't believe that really happened. Crazy night so far, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching and, you know, staying tuned to the channel. I really appreciate you guys. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys have been thinking of the content. Thank you so much, guys.